So a while ago I got Ipsy, so today we're gonna open it. Let's get started. There we go. Oh, my hand's stuck. Okay. Okay, here's the bag. It was already open a bit. That's weird. Okay, so here we got this. Okay, this might be part 1. Okay, we got foundation powder. Let's open it, see what it looks like. There it is. And here's the checklist of all the stuff. So this is part 1. Bye!